We have a design challenge here, and I come across this on a fairly regular basis. We have a very long wall behind me. Now, on this wall, we have a huge TV, we have a large blank space, and then we have a half wall and then the dining. So we tried all kinds of different pictures here and nothing pulled it all together. What we need is something so drastically different from what's on the left and right that it kind of creates a separation, so this room feels separate from the dining area. You can't do that with a picture. So we tried all kinds of things. We thought about tall plants, bookcases, but I think what we came up with in the end is gonna work really well. So we're gonna put that together and see how it works. All right, let's get this thing moved. We're gonna move the new stuff in. So we have this big floor lamp. Now, there are a couple of things about this lamp. This room, this house is older, so this room has no ceiling lights with the exception of the one light and a ceiling fan. When this house is being shown, it's not going to be bright enough, especially at night. So we've got 3 100-watt LED warm light bulbs here. So not only is this lamp going to create a nice separation, but it's going to give us the necessary light with the other lamps to light up the room when it's dark. Let's just put the chair like catty corner this way, and then maybe you could put the plant on that side. Let's go in front of the, let's see. I'm just gonna have to move things around so it looks right. I think we just need a different table. But I think that's pulling it together pretty well. Because you've got your different levels. You know, this is the tallest, this is the second, and then it just keeps going down. And this is what you have to do when you're trying to create something like that. Just keep moving things around. Eventually, it's gonna look good. So it's going well. We've created that little vignette, but it just seemed like that table was a little bit too much. It would probably work if we had a small table, but if we don't have the right size, we're just gonna do nothing at all. The only thing that's left to do is fill in with a little bit of color here, and let's see how that looks. All right, so we found some pictures, happen to have the same color as the sofa. Let's see what this looks like. So when I have two pictures like this, I like to keep them very close together. You want a cohesive feel between these two things, so you want a minimal amount of space. And I would say take it down even just a little. Perfect, perfect. Now it looks like a set. So just don't put too much space. I like to keep it between an inch, inch and a half, just depending on how big the picture is. Now if you have small mirrors, you could take it down to a ½ inch. It just has to look and feel right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this second one hung. What you think?
I think it looks nice.
I think it looks great. So here it is, minus the drill. This is our little vignette, and it perfectly separates both spaces. Okay, so there it is. We have solved our long wall dilemma. We'll do more of these in the future for sure because we come across this a lot. I am so thrilled with how this came out and how it separated the space. It turned out so well. So I would love if you would subscribe to our channel because we're gonna have more great content for you. So please subscribe, like our video, and comment below. Tell us what you want to see in the future. I thank you so much for watching, and I'm Carrie Lawless.